Hi everyone! You know that I love finished spreads, so today I will be doing a right page, companion to my recently finished Surfer's Paradise, and mostly in this video I will be using Caran Neocolors II. I got the main idea for this coloring while I was talking with my friend, and we discussed color range of Caran Neocolors. We discussed that in the set there are a lot of too bright greens, which are not very natural looking, and I hoped that there are still some pictures where you can use these bright colors, and perhaps books of Lizzie Mary Cullen is one of the best choices if you want to use bright colors. From my recent experience of using Neocolors on the left page here, I already know that pigment lay down on this paper really well, with or without water, and in my opinion they are much more suitable for doing smooth background without visible strokes than Inktense pencils. And also, as here we have a start of the journey from Australia to America, green colors will be a nice choice for the background in the upper part of the picture. So I did color gradient from lemon yellow around koala to the chromium oxide green behind the main characters. On the screen, grass green and lime green look almost like neon colors, but in reality they are not so bright. For the bottom part of the picture, I decided to use some colors which I already use on the left page to make a connection and well-balanced spread. So the area of the sky I colored using mauve, lagoon, colors from Inktense set, and I also added navy blue for the bottom part. All of these three colors I already used on the left page. And for the swirls, I decided to use three of the Neocolor crayons, pink, Salmon and Sahara yellow, which I also used on the left page for the sky. I applied three colors and then I applied water to smooth everything, and if I'm not happy with the intensity of colors, I can use second layer of Neocolor pigment without applying water, or I can use on top of Neocolors some of my regular pencils in similar color if I want to intensify colors. And my suggestion to use Kohinoor Mondeluz pencils. They works really nice on top of Neocolor pigment. My next challenge was how to make a connection between the upper part of the picture and the bottom part, and I decided that I will use blue crayon on the sky behind the koala bear, and the same blue I will be using for some of the swirls. Even bubbles with text were helpful. I used for them also Sahara yellow and salmon. I think that I will make further connection between upper and bottom parts. While I will be coloring flying car, I think that I will add some green details to it. Finally, I realized why I enjoy coloring with Neocolors so much. I think that it reminds me about coloring with crayons in my childhood. When I color with crayons, I don't care about precision of my strokes. I can color really quickly, and when I apply water, everything instantly look better, like a real magic. I realize that so far the beginning of this coloring looks a little bit childish, but I hope that when I will add some details with Inktense pencils in the next part, it will look better and more interesting.